To solve this exponential sequence math question, and read that given that the first term of an exponential sequence GP is the square root of 3 minus 2 and the second term is 7 minus 4 root 3, find the common ratio. So how do you go about it? Let's get started. First, let us recall that the formula for exponential sequence is given as this, that t n equals ar n minus 1, okay, where a is our first term and r is our common ratio, while n here is the number of terms. Okay, so how then do we do it? Now we are given that the first term here is this, so here we have that a equals root 3 then minus 2, and we are also told that the second term is given as this, so which implies that t2, which is tr then 2 minus 1, which is ar raised to 1, equals 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, so then how then do we calculate the common ratio? All we just need to do is just use this to solve for the common ratio. Now since t2 is ar raised to 1, which is equals to 7 minus 4 root 3, so we can say that ar equals 7 minus 4 root 3. Take note, our first term is given as 3 root 3 minus 2, so here we have root 3 minus 2, then r equals 7 minus 4 root 3. So all we just need to do is to divide both sides by root 3 then minus 2, then here you have root 3 minus 2. This clears off this, so our r now gives us 7 minus 4 root 3 then all over root 3 minus 2. We won't stop here. All we just need to do now is to rationalize. We will multiply both the numerator, okay, by the conjugate of the denominator and by the denominator. So what does that imply? So we multiply the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate is root 3 plus 2 then all over root 3 then plus 2. So we then have that r equals 7 minus 4 root 3 then multiply root 3 plus 2 then all over root 3 minus 2 multiply root 3 plus 2. Okay, and now when we expand the brackets for the numerator and the denominator, we have here 7 root 3 then plus 14 then minus 12 then plus minus 8 root 3 then all over 3 minus 4. Okay, this is in a case whereby we expand the bracket. So for the numerator, let us just collect like 10. So here we have that 7 root 3 then minus 8 root 3 then plus 14 minus 12 then all over negative 1, and that's because 3 minus 4 give us negative 1. So we have here this minus this will give us negative root 3. 14 minus 12, that will give us 2 plus 2 then all over negative 1. Okay, now this is same thing as saying 3 minus 2. So our common ratio will then be root 3 minus 2 as the final answer. Alright, please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.